Yeah, I woke up feeling grateful, thankful. Everything that I prayed for came so. I be feeling so grateful, got me feeling so grateful. Yeah, I woke up feeling grateful, thankful. Everything that I prayed for came so. I be feeling so grateful, got me feeling so grateful. Okay, I dream in color, but I live in moments. I see the world in stories, so I always told them. I think I always had a knack for love. Only thing is I ain't know it, but it's funny how it changed when you notice it. Or how you gotta let go to get a hold of it. Homie wrote a split up, feeling like I'm 6'1", even though I'm 5'8". It's a mind state, and you know I'm 10 toes down for you. Deep as ocean blue, we could roll with the crew. Spread love like we supposed to do. Okay, we been had blessings, but it's loads of new ones. It's on their way still, so on my grave, just tell the world I'm grateful. I always gotta see